them bands, get them right back. I'ma spend them bands, get them right back.
See what I told you? It's not enough damn sugar.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Hey! I'm already talking shit before the video starts. Good morning. It's Friday. So you gonna take the last two sugars?
But it's not sweet. This sugar is no good.
That's the reason why
This
I
sugar
asked
is
for
no good. Splendor is the best.
and they don't have Splendor here at this place. So my sugar tastes.
That's why I love Starbucks. I love to drink coffee from Starbucks.
Okay, so y'all, he came out here to America and he already bougie. He already asking for Starbucks. I'm like, McDonald's got good coffee, 7-Eleven got good coffee. He like, no, I want some Starbucks.
Starbucks is in JA.
You already get bougie. And you ain't never had Starbucks
of
when
course.
You went to JA. When did you have Starbucks?
When I was in JA with you, I have Starbucks.
For the very first time with me.
Yeah, sometimes you don't have time to go certain places.
But you got regular coffee at Starbucks. You can start liking Starbucks until you experience that caramel macchiato, that ice.
That one is good, but this coffee is fucking fresh. This is like some watered up coffee.
We don't have no more cookies. Y'all see we under this damn tent.
Like the breeze want
like
to blow blow it down.
And where we sitting at?
In the handicap
In a handicap.
parking space. Eh? God, that's a shame. Sitting down in the handicap parking space.
Handicap parking space.
Yeah, the
Blue
handicap.
line is the shit under it.
Oh my God, yo. Handicap parking space. That's bad. Yeah, so we're just getting some breakfast. Although it's about 12 o'clock today. And as I talk about breakfast, it's already here. It's here. So I'm going to tell you about it. How it tastes and...
Oh, the bottom one, yeah. Sorry. I'm going to just make them light. Thank you. Okay.
This is what I have.
Overcook my damn pancakes.
I have burger with some eggs in it, some turkey meat.
Just in case they poison me.
That not the game. So we check your back.
No, I always say my blessing. I'm sorry. That is like really huge pepper on there. Like seriously. I didn't think the pepper was gonna be that damn big. Look at that pepper. What the hell? It's like a pickle. Now I gotta wait for my damn pancake. Told her I want my pancake dark.
And they still bring it dark.
I like black ass men, but I don't like black ass pancakes. I'm sorry. Can't do it.
Where's the ketchup?
So we're at Norm's. If anybody knows Norm's.
Does that look better?
Yes, much better. Thank you so much.
I can't take it back.
No, I don't eat pancakes.
No, you don't eat them.
You want me to take it home? You want me to take it home?
No, just take them. I don't eat them. Yeah. I'm not being charged for those, right?
No.
Okay, good. But no, I'm good. These are good. These are good. Thank you. I appreciate you.
If I fucking eat today, if I eat
This
today.
is how I like my pancakes, y'all. Light. Pancakes light.
All it again. All it again.
Light. I like light skin pancakes. Light skin pancakes. Light skin pancakes. Don't burn my pancakes.
Yo,
And
man,
don't
I'm them the something today,
burn my
brother.
bacon and my meat.
Man, I eat them the something today, brother.
Excuse me? I don't even know what you just said.
Man, I eat pancakes,
Y'all know I don't
brother.
understand my husband half the time, right? I'm married a foreigner. But I don't understand.
Where's the salt? No salt. Oh, God.
Oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna put this food in our system.
We'll get back to
We're
you
gonna get back to y'all.
in a short while.
Oh, did I tell y'all we had our first argument in the U.S. a couple days ago? Sure did. Because he's married to crazy.
Over foolishness.
He think it is.
What a life.
He married to foolishness.
A life.
Crazy. He love it though. He knew that before he got out here. And I need another damn syrup. We'll make her think that this one syrup is going to do for these 2 pancakes.
You know, cost our food.
I ain't got time for this. And I need. Did you ask for some more sugar?
No.
Who put the top on this?
Me.
Okay, y'all. We're gonna eat this.
We'll get back to you in a
We're
short
gonna
while.
get back.
Yo, the first time in my life, I eat a hamburger and the pepper. Yo, the turkey hamburger, the egg. And I tell you, when like when they cook crab at Jamaica, the pepper, not even water can cool it. Yo.
Tell him what you found in there. He had this in his burger.
They put
It was
this,
already peppered in.
they put this on top.
The bur-
and cut up one and put in a middle. Oh,
Y'all know what that means. Ass gonna burn tonight.
Yo.
Beware of the toilet. You should drink some milk. It won't burn so bad.
Yeah.
That's for a cup of milk. Where's the waiter at?
I don't know if they have good milk. Huh.
They have milk here.
I don't know if it's good.
That's why you taste it.
No. The food is
And
good
I need
enough.
another damn syrup.
The food is good, but spoil me there with the pepper.
So you can't finish your burger?
No, sir.
Messed up?
Woo. Hot.
That's messed up.
It's hot. Brother,
Cool that ass off.
the tongue up on fire. Tell them, say, brother.
It's on fire.
Yo, everything you make fun of. Everything.
Thank you. Gracias, gracias.
See that
I
me all
need that.
on shh.
Don't tell the viewers that you got a don't.
Maybe it's real, me now. Growing it.
Okay, if you go inside of there before we take off.
You got me yard.
We're only downstairs in the house.
You got me yard.
Let me out.
Ride the bike.
No
Yo,
fries. You can't mess with the fries.
soggy.
It's soggy. They want y'all all that fresh.
And
I told
the,
her you need some fresh fries.
and the fucking
But once
burger.
you come back with the syrup, my pancake's gonna be cold, and I'm gonna say,
Fuck it.
forget it. Trying to have a good mouth on here, you know. You're messing it up. No syrup. You got a syrup.
That is it, no sir. She forgot it.
Yes, sir.
You're like some ghetto. Yo, syrup. I got some ghetto people. I'll leave the bar that you get. No, don't bother no. The taste when I eat pancake, man. I bother the food. Sure. Yeah.
This shit about to come down on us.
I feel like a storm out there.
Oh, it's getting real.
Getting real.
We gotta get the hell up out of here.
It's getting real. It feels like a storm. Everybody's looking up.
It's still on fire? Dang. That's bad. That's messed up. You can't finish your burger. The whole burger hot, babe?
So,
The whole
taste
burger?
it.
No, I don't like spicy food like that. You can't finish it for real?
I think I like man I tell pan burger.
Damn, it must be really hot because you can actually do hot stuff. Messed up your food, huh?
Everything over there, so they tear down on the next side. So we take them lift, and they float.
Oh my God, this is start getting low up.
We start getting
We
real.
pay and go.
We
Let's
start
pay
getting
and
real.
go. Get out of here, man.
One of the maintainers is walking around and shaking it to see if it's stable. Yo,
Blow the whole
COVID.
restaurant.
COVID whole world. People have to eat out the door. The restaurant. That's when I go the day you are free if you go eat out the door. You have to pay your money and you're out the door.
There you go. There you go. It's not that cold, but
Scandalous.
this is scandalous.
Yeah.
Eating in a damn handicap zone.
Imagine.
This is just not right. This ain't right. This shit ain't right.
Brookie, tell me if this right. You pay your money. I have to sit in the handicap zone. You can't park in there. But you have to sit down in there and eat.
We should have handicap prices then.
You must handicap price, of course.
They should be getting us a discount.
See, next time, you'll get the one of the
We eating
items.
on top of oil stains and shit, babe. We eating on top of oil stains.
See? You see? Next time, you know, I'm get the license plate with the handicap.
Eating in the handicap zone.
So now they can't contour. Deck with car.
Handicap zone.
Hey guys, you know we're here. You know just here chilling, getting some pedicure in the beauty shop. Getting some pedicure, get a back massage. In the meantime, nothing come down. Nothing come down. Like what they're getting their face done. You know, they'll put them clean up. Nails them do. Yeah. No, I forget that some of them. All put them
con nó dễ thì nó ok.
Alright, bro. Done. You feel me? What you doing for the day? You know, we just get our feet done, or get our nails done at the nail stick. But they do a good job. The ratings, I give them their ratings about 8%. That's a lot.
Oh, so you gonna give my nail shop an 8?
Yeah, it's an 8%.
That's how you show your appreciation to my nail shop.
Of course. You look, I didn't give them 5.
Really? They deserve a 5?
They can go on with
This
an 8.
truck stopped.
They can go on with an 8. They good with
Okay,
an 8.
I'll take the 8. I'll take the 8.
Yeah. But you know you are a straight 10.
Well, you do know that Steve Harvey put them in the top 10, right?
Yeah. Steve
Nail
Harvey.
shop.
Yeah, put them in the top 10.
Yeah.
But to me they get an 8. They get an 8. But one thing, they move fast. They don't spend the time on you. They move fast. You know.
My little short nails.
Yeah.
Babe, where's my earpiece at?
In the bag.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah. But they take off some old garbage off my foot. Yeah. Some old garbage in their body. So yeah, I mean thank them for that. You know, wearing slippers all the day alive, you know. I can't bother the shoes vibe sometimes. You know. So we are here at the Jack in the Box. You fucking Jack in the Box. Yeah, order some chicken sandwich. I'm right. I feel
So,
hungry.
you want the combo? Because you talking about fries and then you just want
yo,
the sandwich.
just give me something. You know, no fries. Just give me something.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't feel like eating this shit.
So what you going to eat?
I don't know. I'm going to eat you.
Me? This is all cold, this brother. All cold. You can't break up.
Hi, can I have the, what did we say?
The
Home-
12 cup. The old cup.
Number 12? Yeah, it's a number 12.
Yeah.
Yes. We just gonna do the sandwich. Yes, and let me do the 3 egg rolls. Can they not be overcooked, please? Not well done.
Can I get a hug on
And
my sandwich?
butter milk sauce added. Would you guys be able to add an egg on top of that burger?
Yeah,
you can. Okay,
Good.
cool. A well done egg on top of the burger. You so ghetto. And take this damn mask off. Oh, this mask be giving me.
Just go to the drive-thru and jack in the box.
Look at that damn burger.
You want a piece?
That probably tastes better than the restaurant burger.
Of course.
Y'all want a piece? Oh, they put egg on there for you. So ghetto. You just asked for egg, and they don't even have egg on here.
And it's your fucking crib.
Nothing. You got nothing in there?
It don't taste bad. Tastes good.
There's some extra mayonnaise and shit. Put some mayonnaise on that shit.
Meow.
What you saying?
Meow. Meow.
Bombara. You know what?
Why it costing so much butter?
People getting on my nerves. They driving is getting on my nerves. They're trying to go home.
You know that's how the people them drive in LA, they drive for themselves, they don't drive for no one else.
Tastes like I tasted foil or something.
They drive for themselves, they don't drive for no one else. You know, guys, we are here sitting down in the car. She's stuffing her mouth. Your mouth like a pig. So, you know, that's it for the day. We just here sitting, just finished the chicken sandwich. It was good.
Just, you know, we just showed them a little bit of our Friday.
Yeah, just
How our Friday went.
what we need to do.
Not much, you guys, but just a little something.
A piece of here and a piece of there. You know. So please remember, don't forget.
Subscribe!
It means a lot for you. Just damage the subscribe button for me. Mash it up.
Comment!
Here, comment down below.
We will respond.
Like our video, you know. That's the golden rule.
Thumbs up!
Tell a friend, tell another friend.
Tell a friend and tell another friend. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell another friend and another friend.
When you finish it, tell me.
Huh?
You finish now?
I'm finished.
Yeah. About the Murdochs, please remember to follow us on Instagram at the Murdochs. You see some other posts there, you know.
And leave a comment below.
So I will see you in another video. And this is out for now.